drop to pop in my eye on a wonderful day like today. On a wonderful evening like this, we'll be singing the old songs and some that are new. But best of all, we'll be singing for you on a wonderful evening like this. On an evening like this, we could kiss everybody who's so full of love and goodwill. Let us say furthermore, we'd adore everybody to come and dine. The pleasure's mine, and he will pay the bill. May we take this occasion to say that this wonderful night will be filled with a song. Singing for you, we can never go wrong.